Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's recipe is beetroot carrot rice. Yes, it is a perfect lunchbox recipe which will make your kids eat beetroot and carrots as well in one single recipe. So let's get into the video to know how this is made. Here in a pressure cooker, I am taking about 6 tablespoons of oil. You can also add ghee in place of oil if you wish to. And after the oil heats up, I'm adding in about 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger and garlic. You can also use ginger garlic paste or just like the ginger garlic grated. And then I added in about 1 bay leaf and 2 cardamoms. And then goes in about 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, that is sawn. And saute this well until the raw smell of ginger garlic goes out really well. Later goes in about 1 teaspoon of jeera, that is cumin seeds. And let's give it a very good saute so that jeera also releases its flavors. After this goes in about 3 slit green chilies and about 1 teaspoon of finely chopped curry leaves and half a cup of sliced onions. I had chopped the curry leaves really fine so that kids won't find it an option to remove and put it aside. And then goes in about 1 teaspoon of sugar and a little salt. And do not set back from adding sugar because it helps onions caramelize really soon and well. So do not skip on the sugar part. And saute this well until you can see the onions start releasing its oils, its flavors, and it will start caramelizing slowly. And now goes in about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and give it a saute so that the raw smell goes off. And then I'm adding about half a cup of chopped carrots and 1 full heaped cup of chopped beetroots. Give this a good mix. You need not saute this, just give it a good mix and then spread it out. And then goes in about 1 1/4 cups of rice that is already washed and kept aside. Now without mixing the rice, I'm just spreading it onto the carrot and beetroot mixture. And after this is done, I added the required amount of water, that is 4 cups. Depending on the rice that you are using, the water will vary, so be sure to know how much water is required for your rice and add it accordingly. And then I chopped in about 3/4 cup of chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves together. And then I'm adding the required salt now. And 1 teaspoon of ghee to add extra taste. And then I'm covering it with the lid and pressure cook this for about 3 whistles. And after that is done, let it cool down before you open it up and give it a good mix and enjoy the aroma before you serve it. So I'm giving it a good mix before I even serve it, so that the masalas and the beetroot, carrot, everything mix well together. Give this perfect recipe a try because I know it is very difficult to make your kids eat beetroot and carrots. So give this recipe a try in your house and let me know in the comments below how it turns out and what next recipe you want to watch on my channel. And until next time I meet you, bye.